Hi, my name is Adam Jorgensen, and I work at the ACLU of South Dakota. I'm going to share a couple things with you today on this video. They're just two things that keep me going, especially during times like this when things are uncertain, and we often think that the work that we're doing might not be worth it, or it might not have an impact. Whatever work that you are doing, whether you advocate for LGBTQ plus equality, or if you are advocating for prison reform, especially today, I think anybody's effort and everybody's passion really does have an impact and can go a long way. I think some of the things we are seeing change in our criminal legal system really underscore that. And I want people to just know that even though right now we don't know what's going to happen, we can all play a part in shaping our future. And I think these things that I'm going to read, while they may not be a poem, I think that they embody the fact that working hard and pushing through the unknown can lead to some cool things, whether it be right away or over many years. So yeah, let's get to it. The first thing I'm going to read is an excerpt from the Obergefell versus Hodges ruling, aka the marriage equality case from 2015 when it was ruled. I had this pinned up in my office, when we were officing from actual offices and not our basements like me right now. And I had it pinned up for a few reasons. That day sticks out in my mind, where we saw a lot of LGBTQ people from across the nation coming together to celebrate a common issue, which is the fact that we want to be able to openly show love to the people that we love and share our lives with, and being able to marry the people that we want to marry is a great way to show that. And it was a huge win. While it wasn't the end of the road for equality, I think it was a definite, I don't know if pit stop is the right word, a great time to take some photos and celebrate, but get back in the car and keep going as you could. So I'm going to read that. No union is more profound than marriage, for it embodies the highest ideals of love, fidelity, devotion, sacrifice, and family. In forming a marital union, two people become something greater than once they were. As some of the petitioners in these cases demonstrate, marriage embodies a love that may endure even past death. It would misunderstand these men and women to say they disrespect the idea of marriage. Their plea is that they do respect it so deeply that they seek its fulfillment for themselves. Their hope is not to be condemned to live in loneliness, excluded from one of civilization's oldest institutions. They ask for equal dignity in the eyes of the law. The Constitution grants them that right. The judgment of the Court of Appeals of the Sixth Circuit is reversed. It is so ordered. I always thought that was just a really cool thing to have either hung up or displayed, or some companies, this little local shop has created greeting cards with it, which I always use for weddings. The other little piece I'm going to read, you guys may also find familiar. It is the preamble to the Constitution. Here we go. We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity. Do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. And if you didn't know this already, you can get yourself a pocket constitution by visiting shop.aclu.org. That's all I have, y'all. Thanks for your time.